Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a collection on Shopify. So we are going to discuss Shopify collections, how to create them, how to add products, how to optimize them, and also how to add them to your storefront. Now, if you're new to the channel and you want to grow your online business, whether it is a Shopify store, a YouTube channel, an Etsy store, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a bunch of videos about all of that. So without any further ado, guys, let's jump onto our computer and I'm going to show you how to create a collection on Shopify. And now we are on the computer, guys. As you can see here, we have the admin dashboard and here we have the website. Here we have the collections and I want to create another collection, which is essential oils, and I also want it to be on the website. So what I am going to do is first go to our admin and I want to create the collection. You are going to go on products and underneath you can find collections. Here we have the collections that already exist on this website. I'm going to click on create new collection and I'm going to name this collection essential oils. So here at the title I want to put in essential oils. Then I'm going to go underneath where I have the description box. And here you have to write a paragraph or 2 paragraphs about your collection. I would recommend creating a very compelling paragraph, maybe 1, 2, 3 sentences, where you tell your customers what this collection is about. So you have to include the main keyword, which is essential oils once again. Then we have explained that we use 100% natural ingredients and also those can be used for rituals or relaxation and aromatherapy. So guys, as you can see in the description, I explained what the products are, so what products you can find within this collection. Also, what kind of ingredients, materials we use in preparing or making those products, and also what you can use those products for. So this is a very good example of a perfect paragraph that you can include in your description. Then I'm going to select it and I also want to center it because it will look better and customers will be able to see this paragraph on the website. Then here we have the image. I'm going to add an image. Make sure that you have a very good image as well. Also, it must be optimized, meaning that it needs to have a lower dimension so that it loads faster, and that way Google can actually index your collection and also the photo. Then you have 2 options for including products within this collection. You have the manual, which I recommend especially if you are in the beginning, and then you have automated. When it comes to automated, usually you can include some conditions that these products need to meet in order to be included within this collection, and you can include the name, a tag, pricing, product category. So you have a bunch of options to choose from, and that way if you have a large inventory, if you want to create a lot of collections and you want to add products based on keywords, on weight, colors, or other things, you can actually create those conditions in order for those products to be included. You have to think about the future as well, because if you want to create more products in the future that might have similar or identical keywords and you do not want them to be included within this collection, you should include them manually, because that way you can select the products that you want to include and you do that only once. After you have done so, you can click on save. Now, before we move forward with our video, guys, I just wanted to let you know that we have a full Shopify course on our YouTube channel that will teach you how to build your Shopify store from scratch to a fully functional store. Now, if you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description below. And without any further ado, let's continue our video. And now our collection is created. As you can see, you have a button right here, view. And when I go onto my website, the collection photo is not displayed on this one because some themes do not display the collection photos, but others do. Now, as you can see, we have 0 products, and that is why I'm going to add products. Here, when you search for products, you can click on browse and you can type in a few keywords that can be found within those products. For example, I want essential oil. I have 2 products. and I'm going to add them. Now I have 2 products within my collection. Once you add more products to your collection, you can also choose how to sort them, meaning that when customers land on the collection, those products will be sorted by some of those options. You can either go with best selling, you can order them alphabetically by price, newest, oldest, and also manually. If you order them manually, this is what I recommend, and that is because you can actually choose the products and also choose the order. Meaning if I want my orange essential oil to be first, I can simply drag and drop it, and as you can see right now, this is the first product within this collection. Now when this is set to manually, when you add even more products, they will be added at the end of the collection, meaning they will come third, fourth, and so on. If you want your products to be added by newest, you can also go with that. Then another important thing when you create a collection is to also take care of the search engine optimization, meaning that this is the information that you are going to send to Google. And this is once again very important. Usually you can include the most important paragraph here at the meta description. And when it comes to the title, you can actually think of a few extra keywords that you want to include. For example, we want to say organic essential oils, so plural, and then also aromatherapy and relaxation. I can include 100% vegan, 100% natural ingredients. You can also include your brand here, so it depends on you. Another important thing is that here you have the handle, so you have the link that this collection has. When you create a collection and I named it essential oils, Shopify will automatically create a link using the keywords that you used in order to create your collection. So it automatically picked essential oils after your domain.com/collection/ and then it's going to be essential minus oils. So this will be the link created by Shopify. I'm going to click on save. Now if you want to change the URL handle of the link, you should do it in the beginning when you actually create it, because when you want to change it, as you can see, I am adding a few numbers, or I can add another keyword, and here you can see that I am suggested by Shopify to create a URL redirect for essential oils, so from the old collection link to the new one. So what this means is that when people land on the initial link, they will be redirected to the new one. And this can actually hurt your SEO, so your website, because when you change the link of a product, of a collection, that product or collection can already be indexed by Google. You can have backlinks on certain websites, forums, so people might talk about your product, and when they click on that link, it will land on your website, but with a 404 error, meaning that that link could not be found. That is why you should create this redirect, but I would recommend to leave those links like that without ever changing them, so that you do not hurt your website SEO. So guys, as you can see, I can click now on view, and I have the products already included within the collection. I have the description that I made, and also as you can see, it is centered. And also, if you want to include this collection within your website menu, in case you do not have the collections, so the old collections here on the website, where it will automatically be included, as you can see right here, essential oils. If you want to add it, you need to go to online store. Here you are going to have navigation, and here on the right you will have two menus. One is the footer menu. This can be found at the bottom of the page, and this is the main menu, the one at the top. If you click on main menu, you can edit it. Here where you have collections, you can actually edit, and here if you have all collections, this means that all collections will be included on the website. If you have created a specific collection on sale with certain products, new arrivals, you can add menu. I can actually go and search here for essential oils. And as you can see, we can choose between collections and products. I'm going to click on collections, and here I can either choose all collections or essential oils. I want to only
select essential oils, it will automatically pick the name of the collection, and also that will be the name on the menu. If I want to do that, I simply click on add. If you want to change the name from the menu, you can do that as well. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to add. Now I'm going to save menu, and when I go to the website and refresh, as you can see, we have the essential oils in the menu as well. I'm going to click on it, and we have the collection essential oils right here. So that is how you can also add your collection to your menu.
So guys, that was the tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If so, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want to learn even more, if you want to increase your conversion rate, if you want to increase your sales, your brand awareness, to bring more customers, to increase your social media presence, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we have a ton of videos about how you can actually grow online. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.